Hello, I am Deborah Johnson, Director of the Annual Fund, United Negro College Fund here at Livingstone College. I am excited to have the opportunity to say thank you for the support that you have given to the college and to the United Negro College Fund. We are grateful, and we want you to know that every dollar that you give makes a difference. It makes a difference in the lives of our students and to the college. Our students have the opportunity to concentrate more on their education as opposed to worrying about whether or not they are going to have the funds to pay. It also allows our students to have dreams about things that they never thought they would dream about when it comes to getting an education. So we thank you. We appreciate all that you do for Livingstone and for our students and our faculty and staff. We can't go without not including them as well. So continue to give. We look forward to your year-end campaign gift this year. And mark your calendars. On February the 5th, we will host our annual United Negro College Fund Hall of Fame. So we look forward to seeing you there in the place in Salisbury, North Carolina. Again, thank you so much for all that you do. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.